Can you get your money back if you posted bail for a loved one, for a family member? Can you get your money back? You know, I get this question all the time, and the answer is it really depends. First and foremost, it really depends on the type of bail or bond that you actually paid. And what I mean by that is there's what's called a surety bond. A surety bond is a certain percentage of a bail or bond that has been set by the court that is paid directly to a bail bondsman. Now, you pay it to the bail bondsman because in a very real sense, what they are doing is they're giving their word to the court that, hey, if this person takes off and they don't show up for court, I am going to go out and look for him or her and bring them back so that the court can be assured that this person will show up. And so for that reason, you know, when you pay a bail bondsman, you pay that percentage, they give their guarantee to the court, that locks them in on the case to be a backup for if this person doesn't show, but you don't get that money back typically. But there are several types of bonds or bails in Indiana where you can, in fact, get your money back. Now, the first one that will allow you to get your money back is very similar to what we call the surety, where you pay the bail bondsman. And in that one, you also pay a percentage. Typically, it's 10% of the amount that is set by the court, but it's called a personal relative. And that's a situation to where you have a personal relative that signed off and they put down a certain percentage. But, you know, if that person shows up for court, the proceedings, they come and they go, the matter is resolved. After the matter is resolved and the person has shown up, then you can go back, typically to the clerk's office, show them your ID, show them information that you, in fact, were the person that put the money up, and then you can get your money back. The other situation is similar as well, but it's a cash bond, and that's where the court places a certain amount of cash that needs to be paid. And if it's paid, again, same situation. If everything goes well, person shows up, there's no issue with the person skipping out on the court. At the end of those proceedings, you can also get your money back as well. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have questions related to this topic or anything else, feel free to reach out to me, call me, email me, hit me up some way, somehow, and I'd be more than happy to help. But until then, until we talk, or even if we don't talk, just remember this. If you have to be guilty of anything, be guilty of greatness. Take great care.